Today we are here to talk about mgCharge. We are going into the residential societies and we are installing chargers such as these as you see here.
We are getting these chargers, this is the first of a kind in the country today. While the government is supporting from the top down, we as individuals and consumers have to support from the bottom up. So I think brilliant initiative all in all, and we feel that as a part of the EV revolution in India, we are doing our little part to contribute on.
व्हीकल्स के वर्ल्ड में ईवी है ही भविष्य है। ईवी से आप एनवायरनमेंट को प्रोटेक्ट करेंगे। विद इन 3-4 इयर्स आप उसकी जो कॉस्ट है उसका बहुत बड़ा हिस्सा निकाल लेते हैं।
With mgCharge, our aim is to provide increased convenience as well as address the range anxiety and the charge anxiety of EV customers.